destination airport, Louis University, Lima, Oscar Tango, clearing altitude 7,500.
Skylane 7380 Romeo, clearance, good evening again. Cleared to depart the Class Bravo airspace to the north. Maintain VFR at 3000, expect higher with departure. Departure frequency will be 119.15, and I'll have a squawk code for you here in a little bit when you taxi out.
Sure, Romeo, cleared to exit the Class Bravo airspace to the north, maintain 3000 VFR, higher with departure, departure frequency 119.15, so 380 Romeo.
Skylane 80 Romeo, readback crest.
We're ready to taxi 80 Romeo.
Skylane 80 Romeo, out of signature, runway 12 left, taxi via Foxtrot in Sierra.
Runway 12 left via Foxtrot in Sierra. Tower 7380 Romeo, ready for departure, hold short 12 left.
Skylane 7380 Romeo, St. Louis Tower, turn left heading 070, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 070, 12 left, clear for takeoff, 80 Romeo.
Wind 170 at 9er. Cessna 80 Romeo, contact St. Louis departure on 119.15. Good night.